Hi, today we have another Launching IoT's Learning series. Here's part two of what advice would you give somebody who's starting their own IoT project?
You know, it's breaking down the silos so that you can actually make sense of what's happening out there in the environment, and then turning that into purposeful insights so that, you know, things are better for industries and people who interact with that.
I think the usual advice you'd expect for almost everything else: talk to people who have done it. Find trusted people, and look for testimonials. Try not to do it all from first principles.
Two things I've been trying to kind of live by. One is that if it doesn't either make you money, save you money, or keep you out of jail, i.e. conform to regulatory requirements, it's kind of useless. And the second thing is that it's all about what you do with the data. That's where the magic happens. It's if you do wise things with the data, then you can make money or save money, etc. But getting the data to the point where you can do wise stuff with it, that's well, I say just mechanics. It's a lot of science and a lot of technology behind that piece as well. There's security, there's data transport, etc. But at the end of the day, it comes down to what you do with your data.
I would say do your research well. Take calculated risks and do your math.
You need a stakeholder. You need somebody that believes in it. You need to understand what it is, what your problem is, and that's an interesting thing. So as I said to you, IoT is not new. The problems are not new. It's listen to what the customer's problems are, and then offer up the technical solutions that can support that.
So for me, ecosystem is about trust. It's about partnerships, and it's about leaning on each other to fulfill the needs of the customer.
Once you've decided what you want to do, put the right people, processes, and technology on board, and in that order. It's very old-fashioned, it's still very true. And then I would say to just stay curious, continuously monitor and adapt, and always remember to celebrate your successes along the way as well.
You would start small and build from there.
Just looking at IoT from a financial perspective, I don't think is going to be enough. You need to have some passion behind it, understand what you're trying to do your research, do your planning, and then the final thing is find the funding, right? Even smart cities or cities, they have to have the funding to do these projects. If you're going to be a startup, you need to have investors backing you. I've talked to so many companies that try to do it all out of their garages and with very minimal cash flow, and they end up getting stuck at the end of the day. So having a plan and being able to get some financial backing will really help you take it to the next level.